Hi artists, welcome to Teacher Time with Mrs. Panza. Today we're going to be creating soup cans like artist Andy Warhol. In this Teacher Time video I'm going to show you how to create it using traditional art materials like a pencil, pen, crayons, a material that you'd use to draw. You can see there's two examples here on your screen. One is created by my daughter, the other one's created by me. One kind of soup is a realistic kind of soup that you could find on a store shelf, and the other soup is a little bit more imaginary. So you will have that option today as you're working. Okay, so first you want to start out with whatever surface you're going to be drawing on. So I have my art sketchbook here. Okay, and we're going to start with an oval. From there, on either side of the oval, we're going to draw two lines that come down on either side. And then at the bottom, we're going to connect those lines with a curved line. Since our soup can is round, we want to create a curved line there to make it look curved. From there, near the middle of your soup can cylinder, create a small circle. And on either side, a curved line that connects from that circle to the edge. Again, make sure it's curved so that it gives that illusion that your soup can cylinder is round. You can also add the details, more curved lines at the bottom, and the circles that you might have here at the top of the can. Okay, so there you have your basic form that you can start with. From there, you need to think about if you want to create a soup that is realistic, one that you'd find at the store on a shelf, or one that is more imaginary that you make on your own. First, I'm going to start by putting my name up in this space, and also writing the word soup down here too. So I'm going to write the name of my soup that I come up with right in there. Coffee soup is what I'm going to use to create for mine. So from here, now that I have what kind of soup, I've decided to make an imaginary one. Think about what type of colors you might want to use based on the type of soup that you're creating. When I think of coffee, I think of different neutral colors and shades of brown and tan. I'm also going to think about what other details I could add to my soup can to make it look more interesting or even tell what kind of soup it is with a picture. So I'm going to turn this little circle in the middle here into a tiny little coffee cup. And to make it look a little more interesting, I'm going to add some circles that hopefully will end up looking more like polka dots. So far I'm just kind of working with my lines and shapes. You can, of course, once your drawing is complete, go back and add color, of course, to make it look more like Andy Warhol. So I have some of my polka dots there. And then I'm also going to add just some more lines up here to kind of fill in that space and make it look more interesting. Okay, so there you have how to create a drawing like Andy Warhol soup can. And again, I'll show you the example that I started our teacher time with today. Here's my Mrs. Panza's cheese curl soup. So from there, after you create your lines and shapes, you want to think about what color you could add to make your soup can look more realistic, more fun, to complete your artwork. Okay, and then there's that other example too of the noodle soup. I hope you enjoy creating your soup can. Have fun. Be creative.